I love to use tape as a guard to catch all of the makeup that falls. Also, when I use my liquid eyeliner, it makes an amazing straight line. You'll see very soon. Beginning with the liquid eyeliner, I start on top of the tape and drag towards the center of the eye. Not quite, but as I drag it across towards that direction, the bristles spread out and get more flat and automatically make this really nice slanted pyramid shape that gives that cat eye look. Also, one of the best makeup tips I've ever heard is to hold a compact mirror down below the face, down below the chin, and look down when you apply your eyeshadow, but also this liquid eyeliner. It makes the lid so flat and easy to draw on and to pat any eyeshadow on top of. No weird creases or any weird lines, friends. Next is the fun part. We are gonna pull the tape away and see how clearly this line and all the eyeshadow kept to its own zone and not below the eyes. Finish up with your favorite mascara and you're done. Woohoo! Sassy and classy. A very clean and natural look. I would do this for a more upscaled everyday look. I like doing this from time to time. If you would like to see a full makeup tutorial, check it out on my YouTube channel. And thanks for watching. Bye!